Himalayan highways, not for the faint of heart. Let's talk about roads, not your M25. Oh no, we're talking proper, terrifying roads. Roads carved into mountains by people who clearly had a death wish. These are India's Himalayan highways. Some call them the deadliest on Earth. It's absolute, unadulterated madness. Imagine a ribbon of gravel clinging to a cliff face, a sheer drop on one side, thousands of feet down. No barriers, of course not. And on the other side, more rock, often trying to fall on you. This isn't driving, it's a gamble. A gamble with very high stakes indeed. These aren't just roads, they're legends, whispered about in hushed tones. Places like Zojila Pass or the infamous Kardung La, supposedly the highest motorable road. What isn't debatable is the danger. It's palpable. You can taste it. So who drives these things? Not your average delivery driver. Their story is one of grit and astonishing bravery. The day for an Indian mountain trucker. It doesn't start with a gentle alarm or a nice cup of Earl Grey. It starts before dawn, usually, with the biting cold of the high altitude and the immediate thought survival. First, a check of the beast. Their truck, their lifeline, their everything. Tires, brakes, engine, all crucial. A loose bolt could mean disaster. Then a quick prayer, perhaps, to whichever god they fancy. Because up here, you need all the help. A hurried breakfast if they're lucky, usually some chai and a biscuit, fuel for the long, arduous journey ahead. The air is thin, the nerves are taut. Every single day is a test of endurance, skill and luck. Loading the truck is an art form. Goods piled high, secured with ropes. Every inch of space utilized. These trucks are the workhorses, carrying everything from food to fuel, to building materials for remote villages. They are the unsung heroes, truly. Let's be clear about the terrain. It's actively trying to kill you. Landslides are a common occurrence. 1 minute there's a road, the next a pile of rubble, or worse, a gaping chasm. Then you wait, for days sometimes, for the bulldozers to clear a path. Or you find another, even scarier route. Patience isn't a virtue, it's a necessity. And the weather, oh the weather, it changes faster than a politician's mind. Blazing sun can turn to blizzards. In the blink of an eye, it seems. Snowfall can trap drivers for weeks. Ice makes the road slicker than an eel. Fog reduces visibility to zero. Imagine driving on a cliff edge when you can't see your own bonnet. It's terrifying, utterly, utterly terrifying. Then there are the other drivers. Some are skilled professionals, like our heroes, others. Well, let's just say their driving licenses were probably found in a packet of particularly cheap cereal. This job isn't for the weak. Section 4, Navigational Wizardry. Skills forged in mountain air. How do they do it then? How do these truckers survive? It's not just about holding a wheel, it's about an almost supernatural skill, years of experience etched on their faces. They read the road like a book, every curve, every loose stone. They know where danger lurks. They anticipate the unexpected. Because the unexpected is standard here. They use their gears like a maestro. Engine braking is an art form, saving their actual brakes for when they really need them. They understand their vehicle intimately, every groan, every shudder, every cough. It tells them something important, a language only they understand, a bond between man and machine. Communication is key, but not with radios. It's a complex system of horn blasts. A short toot means I'm here, a long one means get out of my way. Essential for survival in these parts. Understanding it is life or death. Section 5, Close Shaves and Tall Tales. Stories from the driver's seat. Every driver has a story, usually several. Tales of near misses that curdle the blood, like the time a whole section of road simply vanished behind them, moments after they'd crossed. Or the overloaded bus they squeezed past with inches to spare on a precipice. These aren't boasts, they're just facts. The daily reality of their lives. One old hand, let's call him Raj, he told of a night in a blizzard. Trapped for 3 days, snow piling high. His engine kept him alive, he shared his meager food with another stranded driver. They talked about everything and nothing. waiting for the snowplows to arrive. He shrugged it off as just another trip. The stoicism is quite remarkable. Section 6. The Iron Steeds, more than just metal. The trucks themselves are characters, often old, battered, but incredibly tough. Tata, Leyland, Eicher names that resonate. They are adorned like temples on wheels, with colourful paintings, tassels and lights. Deities painted on the dashboard offering protection, or so they hope. These decorations aren't just for show. They are expressions of faith and a deep pride in their machines. Maintenance is a constant battle. The rough roads take a brutal toll. Tyres shredded, suspensions shattered, engines strained to their limits. Drivers become expert mechanics by necessity. They can fix almost anything with basic tools and sheer ingenuity. Out here, there's no AA van. You are your own rescue service. Breakdowns can be catastrophic. The bond between a driver and his truck, it's something profound, almost spiritual. This isn't just a lump of metal, it's their partner, their protector, their means of earning a livelihood. They talk to their trucks, some say. Section 7. Conclusion. The unsung kings of the killer roads. So these Indian truck drivers navigating the world's most lethal roads, it's a life of constant danger, of incredible skill and nerve. They face down landslides, blizzards and terrifyingly narrow mountain passes, all in a day's work for them. Most of us would last about 5 minutes, probably less if we are honest, and then we'd cry for our mothers. Their work is absolutely crucial. They are the lifelines for remote communities, bringing food, medicine, fuel, everything needed to sustain life in places cut off from the world. Without them, these regions would wither. They connect the unconnected across some of the harshest terrain known to man or beast. It's a job of immense importance. They do it without fanfare, without expecting medals or praise. They just get on with it, with a quiet determination. Their resilience is truly humbling. This video is brought to you by Hiddesaw Channel. Subscribe for more amazing content on surviving the world's deadliest roads and other thrilling adventures. Don't forget to like, share and hit the bell icon for notifications.